When you're first starting this process, you're probably wondering, how do I choose an attorney? Well, it's kind of funny. This is how it works out. You ever see people and dogs and how, wow, that person looks like a bulldog, just like their pet, or they're happy-go-lucky, just like their golden retriever. I think, not scientifically, that there's some correlation there. You tend to pick someone who you feel represents you from a personality perspective, as well as, of course, a skill set perspective. And what do I mean by that? A lot of it has to do with what you're looking for, and then you're looking for in an attorney. People who want to hurt another spouse by using this process shouldn't call us. We're not here to inflict more injury on someone. We're not here to make this a more litigious process. We're not here to inflict emotional pain on your spouse because you're angry. And quite frankly, divorce is not the place to iron out the emotional problems that have developed in your relationship, although it always tends to come out that way. That's what therapy's for. You need a good therapist, and you need a good lawyer, but you need a lawyer who's going to protect your rights, not just fight. If you want somebody just to burn your other spouse to the waterline, that's not us. There are other attorneys that are like that. And because there are other attorneys who like to just be litigious, who are not responsive, who just want to fight about everything because that's how they operate, you also need someone that's going to protect you, and that is us. And while we're not here to make things more difficult and more litigious, we will fight to make sure you are treated fairly. And I think that's ultimately what you want. You don't want this process to be more difficult. You don't want it to get litigious. You don't want the kids hurt more than they already are. You just want to be treated fairly, and you want to move on with life. That's why you want to call us.